today we're going to make these little stegosaurus dinosaurs. Okay, so all you need for this is your paper plate and two clothes pegs, so just one's off your clothesline, some glue, some paper, pencil and scissors. Okay, and the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut our little paper plate in half to give our body of the dinosaur. Okay, so just so this is the body here, okay, and then you're going to get your paint box out and you're going to paint your half a paper plate in whatever colour you like, and you'll also paint your clothes pegs. Okay, so the next thing we do is we have to cut out the little spikes. Okay, so we just need to get our piece of paper, okay, any colour you like. And we'll actually use our half a paper plate as a guide as to where we'll put the spikes. Okay, so just lay down your paper plate onto the paper, and then we'll just do our spikes up and down like this. Okay, and then just move the paper plate down again, and then we'll just draw a line here, and that'll just be your guide for where you cut. Okay, so get your scissors then and start cutting, and you'll end up with this little guy here. Okay, and then it's time to get your glue out, so we'll just put a little bit of glue on our spikes. Okay, so then we got our spikes, right? Okay, now at the same time with your paper, what you can do also is you can cut out a little tail. So you can use any kind of a little tail. It doesn't have to be perfect. All these little tails are different, and also a head. So I've got a little head here and I've a tail as well. So I'm just going to glue them also. I'm just going to pop that in the back there. And our little head. So he's starting to look like a dinosaur. And then I'm just going to give him a little mouth. One up here, a little smile. And if you've got googly eyes, use your googly eyes, or else you can just colour in a little eye there. Some people even put a circle around it, whatever you want to do. And then you get your two pegs for his legs. And that is your dinosaur. Okay, so enjoy making them, and we'll see you again in Valera. Bye.